In this video, I'll show you how to sell PDFs on Shopify with PDF stamping. Now, in order to get this done on Shopify, we are going to have to download an extension. So make sure you are on your Shopify admin dashboard, which is admin.shopify.com. We're going to hit search and then search for File Flare. Now we're going to hit the install button. And if you get a message telling you to confirm the installation, just confirm that, and then you can hit install again. And now you'll see in the app section, you have File Flare. And here are the steps as you can see them on the screen. You will create a product. You'll then upload the assets for that product. You'll then click on Attach Assets to attach the files to the relevant Shopify product on your store. And then you can click on Configure Settings to customize your experience, or more specifically, create that branded download that you want. And that is it. You can use a File Flare to create PDF stamping for Shopify PDFs. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.